Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnula Shaifa in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is father and who brings his toddler on a motorcycle dies when old Teak tree falls. Father Afik Afendi, 31 years old, died when a tree fell on when crossing on the Panggil Kalincar route, Ngalian on the Friday at around 6 p.m. The victim and the death count with several head injuries and the resident of Dondong village, Wonosari, Ngalian, was crying to children who were still toddlers at the time at the incident. According to him, the fortunate incident began with the victim passed using a Supra X motorbike from the south from Nangkang Market to the Kalincar. At the time, the victim had to pick up his two small children who were being left in the grandfather's house. The condition of the location where the motorcyclist cut by the fallen tree on the Palir Kalincar route, Ngalian District, Semarang City on the Friday. The victim struggled for the years and the victim soon approaching 3 years old. Unfortunately, upon arrival, the scanned the victim and hit by a tree west side of the route. And the victim before the incident had just returned from the work and factory pickup of the two children from the Wonosari area, and this was to return to Kaliwang, Kendal. He did attack an alternative route to Kalingau via Tarubno. The condition at the victim, the incident surrounded severe head injuries. His body was taken to the Tugu Hospital. Meanwhile, his injured daughter was taken to Permata Medica Hospital. The condition of the child and the motorbike parents were recalled by the fallen tree on the Palir Kalincar, Ngalian District, Semarang City on the Friday. A violent tree hitting east of the block of the route, and alternative route had blocked the flow of traffic. As a resident of Mangga, Agung explained arriving at the location about 15 minutes after incident. He saw the officer was already cleaning and the trees. It was expanding and traders entered and Pantuhari area. The next news is meet Puan Maharani at the Monas area. Golkar Party Chairman Airlangga Hartarto is optimistic the government can continue to run out as well as there is a party bearing a brilliant tree and Indonesian Democratic Party of the struggle. Ida Airlangga Hartarto meet the PDIP and the Chair Puan Maharani in the Monas area, Jakarta on the Saturday. According to Airlangga Hartarto, the Golkar Party is owner most seat in the parliament approved the reform. The Golkar Party was also in parliament during the leadership position processing from the President Habibie to Megawati Soekarno Putri. Airlangga also confided the PD when General Chair Megawati had the time several a president approving amendment related to direct elections. Namely, is the Golkar Party in the Puan Maharani at the Monas area. Airlangga Hartarto met the Chairman Puan Maharani in the Monas area on the Saturday, recording how Golkar and have collaborated as a long time. Airlangga was also coordinating Ministry of the Economy that the competition in election between political parties is normal. Winning or closing in the presidential election is also matter of the course. According to the Golkar, what is extraordinary is how cooperating between potential and parties can be improved the welfare of the people. How can interrelated party cooperation maintain Pancasila, the ordinary state and Republic of Indonesia Constitution, and the Bhinneka Tunggal Ika? The next news is Malang Maju wants to gather supporters all over Indonesia for the peace mission. The mayor of the Malang, Sutiaji, wants to gather support from the Aceh over Indonesia for the peace mission. He confided his after Arema versus Persebaya tragedy at the Kanjuruhan Stadium, Malang Regency, which had more than 100 people on the Saturday. Sutiaji said football is a practice and entertainment. He also concerned about what happened after match between Arema and Persebaya Surabaya. He said, the Arema versus Persebaya tragedy at the Kanjuruhan Stadium, which killed hundreds of Arema support and had harmed Arema, is a hurt an image of Malang City as tolerant city. According to the hymn, football has become an attorney and axis of the city of Malang and demanded by the people. Sutiaji believes the people of Malang City can be full of Aremania, will always support the spirit of love of peace. He also advised the level of society not underestimate the slave problem. This is from the learning from the tragedy at the Kanjuruhan Stadium in Malang on October 1, 2022 yesterday. It is maybe someone run the first provide support to file. It is sure regret. It's the same as the fighting tear gas in the first. The next news is prepare for Jokowi rivals at the 2022 National MTK in the South Kalimantan. Also, in the between venue of opening National Musabah Watil Quran, which will take place on the 10 October 2022 in the Kirampert Nature Tourist Area Karangnita District, Banjarmasin, Lakiwis at the Bambu Maskwi of Ki Haji Abdul Qadir Hasan. A number of the workers were also seen clean off the main stage gas for the honor stage in installing finders in the pouring rain. Some also complained about its a mistake for Islamic entertainment. Business is also seen built and the Bambu Maskwi leisure and equipment with small talents by army and police officers have not yet to be seen in areas surrounded by the rubber plantation based on the plan. The event, which is stated by the promising a participant from the 34 province, was opened by the President Joko Widodo on Wednesday. Tooth Insurer Reneging Government Haji Suhbirin Nur combined by the head of the Welfare Revenue and the South Kalimantan Provincial Secretariat Ahmad Solhan also carried out monitoring on Saturday. Solhan said the landing of the presidential helicopter combined by the preparing and spirit reading area. He also said that general all venues were finished and detailing for the vendors compliant work mandate is a blizzard or venue in the Banjarmasin, in the Banjarbaru City, Banjarmasin City, the South Kalimantan Provincial. Government has also installed telecommunication signal reinforcement at the main Kiram Park venue, Bandar Regency, Cadiz Coast in the Muhammad Muslim said that this party, together with a number of providers, had installed a fiber optic network in the Kiram Park area. The next news is serial incident in the Padang Luar Agam, a number of the readers take a hospital. A series of incidents occurred on the Padang Bukit Tinggi crossroad on a Friday night. The exact location is found in the Padang Luar Public Health Center, Payungadi District, Agam Regency. Ganda has not been able to confirm the chronology at the time. What time actually happened? He also could not confirm it now because Homedifa's challenge were involved in this incident as well as the victim. Meanwhile, a resident Fabri said there were several victims who were evacuated in a resident health center and hospital. It is happened at around 20 in Hatur. Tribun Padang separately, he said the police were already on the scene. The next news is, want to travel in Indonesia to League reason for January's reject immigration Nunukan. Here's the reason. Two Ligurian foreign citizens were refused entry Indonesia to Tunun Tanaka Nunukan port on the morning. The two men immigrated from the initial TM 5 years old and IMI 35 years old. Head of Traffic and Immigration Resident Permanent Immigration Class 2 Nunukan, Nugraha Saputra said. The foreigner Algeria was inspected by the officer immigration checkpoint counter in the town of Nunukan. The man and familiar called Putra the immigration entered Indonesia without serving a visa. Putra explained the reason the two immigrants come to Indonesia for tourist purpose. Meanwhile, the state of Algeria is not included in the object of the country, that is to give visit visa service on the arrival and visa free. This is considered with a circular letter from the Directorate General of Immigration on September 23, 2022. Considering immigration policy regrading and the visa service to support sustainable tourism during the pandemic COVID-19. Head of Traffic Immigration Resident Permit Class 2 Immigration Nunukan Nugraha Saputra. It is so that is proven to have violated Article 30 Paragraph 1 Letter D of the Law Number 6 of the 2011 considering immigration. And the last news is, leasing for the motorcycle robbery targeting woman in Tangerang City. Julia Mia Rahim, 19 years old, to become a victim of the illegal motorcycle robbery in the Tangerang City. As a result, the incident, Pondok Pucung Tangerang City lost his Honda Beat brown motorcycle. Jamila said the disturbed SC experienced a court on the Thursday. At the time, he was passing through for the Green Lake City area in the Cipondo, Tangerang City, after taking his nephew to school. Suddenly, he grappled by motorbike of crying two men and forces him to stop. The two men is a very thin and characteristic. One person has a boot in the face area and another has a tattoo in left arm. When he stopped at the side of the road, the person stood on motorbike, another sat on motorbike and Sadia behind Jumia. They immediately the pressure on the Jamlia and forced to the hand and motorbike was driving. The two perpetrators said the Jumlia had been released and released payment for the two men. At the time, Jumia asked the immediately and the two perpetrators motorcycle left. However, the perpetrator was sitting on the motorbike, hit at the back on the head on the victim. Well, I think those all the news for today with me, Kusnul Aisyeva. Don't forget to follow us at the Tribun Lampung News video, Tribun Lampung TikTok, Tribun Lampung Instagram, and Tribun Lampung Facebook for more information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.